Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Green color, blue color, yellow color, red color, light green color, brown color. So kids, आज हम करेंगे alphabets A for apple, B for ball, to Z for zebra. So let's start. Green color, A. A is for apple. Blue color, B. B is for ball. Yellow color, C. C is for cat. Red color, D. D is for dog. Light green color, E. E is for elephant. Brown color, F. F is for frog. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for horse. I is for ink pot. J. J is for joker. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lamp. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for quilt. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tap. U is for urn. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.